Hello, Mrs. Woodpecker. You know it's a blowing and a blowing. Hello, Fluffy. I know. Hello, darling. Hello. Hello, Chip. I got you. Yes, I got you. Thank you. Thank you, Mrs. Woodpecker. Yes. There's a trouble through the glass focusing on you. Oh, look at you. Hello, darling. I know, yes. Yes, aren't you just the prettiest? Yes. You want to be in a close-up? There you go. First close-up. With you and your friend, Mrs. Woodpecker. Anybody else? Not you? Get happy. Yes, there you go, pretty birdie. Pretty birdie, yes. Thank you. Oh, yes, hello. Well, eat, honey. Eat. That's a good birdie.